If you're looking to use Unicode for contactless menus and want to make sure you're using it to its full potential, stick around. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to get started with Unicode for contactless menus and explore how it compares to some alternatives. Unicode lets businesses create customizable, contactless menus that customers can access directly from their smartphones. One of the first things you'll want to do is sign up for their platform. After signing up, you'll be guided through creating your digital menu. This process is pretty intuitive. You can upload your menu items, set up categories, and even add images for each item, which gives a modern, professional touch to your menu. Next thing, Unicode offers flexibility when it comes to linking your menu. You can generate a QR code for each table, or you can share a general QR code on your website or social media. The process is simple. You just create a QR code that leads to your online menu, and your customers can scan it directly with their phone. The third thing to note is that Unicode gives you full control over the layout and branding. You can customize the colors, fonts, and style of the menu to match your restaurant's branding. But while this customization is great, it's worth noting that Unicode lacks some advanced design features that other software might offer, so you may find it look a little basic compared to more feature-packed competitors. Now, let's talk about usability. One of the advantages of Unicode is its simplicity. Setting up the contactless menu is fast and easy, which is perfect for businesses that want a no-fuss solution. But here's the catch, it's not as robust in terms of order management or integration with POS systems. If you need more than just a menu, you might find yourself needing to switch to a different platform down the line. Moving on to pricing, Unicode has a free plan, which is great for small businesses that need something basic. But their paid plans can get pretty pricey when you start adding more advanced features. So, if you're scaling up or need more functionality, you might want to explore alternatives. The fourth thing to consider is support. Unicode's support team is generally responsive, but it can be hard to get help with more technical issues. Some users report slow responses when troubleshooting problems with more complex menu setups. So, is Unicode the best option for contactless menus? Well, it depends on your needs. If you want a simple, easy-to-use option with decent customization, Unicode works well. But if you're looking for a more feature-packed solution that includes order management, POS integrations, and a more seamless user experience, there are better alternatives available. In fact, we found a few alternatives that not only meet these needs, but also offer extended free trials with additional benefits. Through the link in the description, you can access an exclusive free trial of one of these competitors that might be a better fit for your business, and you'll get some amazing bonuses that are only available to our viewers. So, don't forget to check out the link in the description for the best free trial options and to see how these alternatives could help you get the most out of your contactless menu setup.